Hey guys, it's Rishai, and today we are going to be plugging a tire. But first, make sure you like and subscribe, and hit the bell.
Push it down. Hey, hubby. Put it down. Put it down. More down. Put it down. Hey. Sorry, I'll do it.
Alright, we found the spot. So now, I'm going to have to find a way to get the bolt out of the tire. So we'll put it halfway through, then halfway.
So,
Well, would you look at that? No bubbles. We gotta let some air out because the truck is too high or lifted.
kick it.
I think I might have just screwed.
Flat.
Fill up the tire. A little air in the tire, a little more air. And boom, now the car is ready to roll. Again, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified when I upload. Bye.